I fell into despair a while back, and the best way I can describe despair is just complete without hope, and no light at the end of the tunnel. So if you're struggling with despair, hold on and just look to Jesus and keep looking to Jesus and reach out to him and just keep going to him and don't give up, because something will change. Like, something changed in my life recently. And so if you're struggling, like, seriously, keep reaching out to God. And no amount of money, sex, drugs, success, fame, whatever will ever make you fulfilled. It'll just leave you more and more hopeless. So keep reaching out and don't give up.